Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow. On the application of Google Wallet, you will click on settings, this first page. Here on settings, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you will search about Google Wallet and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Google Wallet. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us.